Hello everyone. I am from village, okay? So I know how to jump. It is called high jump. It's not long jump. It's quite difficult. I think 4 feet almost. Okay, done. Hello everyone. Where am I? Look at. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, my Facebook page, Mehdi Hassan, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Mehdi's English Care. I'm Mehdi Hassan, an English content creator in Bangladesh. So I think you guys can watch my face at the same time. You guys can listen to me. How to learn English? I'm really confused. I can't speak in English. Maybe why? You're speaking English and showing something unique or special at the same time. How is it possible, Mehdi? You have to be dedicated. You have to be passionate. I am speaking English passionately, at the same time persistently. You need determination, dedication, persistence, motivation, especially, most importantly, resilience in order to be fluent, right? Look at this mango tree. It's a big mango tree, enormous, huge. But how will I come? I don't know. I'm not being able to come. By the way, thank you very much, my dear friends, for supporting me, for watching me this English Cats video. But I'm not being able to jump again, honestly speaking. I'm tired. I'm tired of making the video. Okay, where there's a pond. You can show the pond if you wish. Okay. I don't need to jump, honestly. I have the way to go outside. I'm a village boy. It's not a jump, right? I just crossed the crossbar. Look at the pond. This is the very landlord's house. Yeah. Today I'm here at Kishorganj. Sorry? Zoom the কয়েকদিকে আটকে রাখতো? This is a prison, right? Okay. Jubair, this is the prison of this landlord's house. Prisoner. Prisoners are caught there. Right. Okay. I'm gonna go there. Oh, now there's nothing inside. All right, so I don't need to show that. Just show the prisoner. It's a landlord's house's prison. I don't know actually. Oh, okay. Let me search on Google. The age. এটার নাম কি? Gangi? Gangatia জমিদার বাড়ি. Gangatia জমিদার বাড়ি. Yeah, I got it. Gangatia জমিদার বাড়ি. Okay, it will be closed at 5 p.m. Let me say something about this Gangatia জমিদার বাড়ি. Show me. হোসেনপুর উপজেলা, গোবিন্দপুর ইউনিয়ন, হোসেনপুর উপজেলা, কিশোরগঞ্জ জেলা. 800 plus 1800. This is the inside. Oh, good. I think it was repaired, right? Yeah. Okay.